Hi babe, welcome back to my channel where it's all about self-growth and positive vibes. My name is Elvia and today we're gonna be doing a 10-minute workout. It's gonna consist of 10 different workouts. Each workout we're gonna do for 40 seconds, 20-second rest. If you're a beginner at working out, this is perfect for you. All you're gonna need is a mat and yourself. Now let's get right to it.
Take a step outside and seize the day now.
Before we get started, I always put on my Sweet Sweat waist trimmer so it can help burn all the fat in my abdominal side. Before putting on the waist trimmer, I like putting on the workout enhancer from Sweet Sweat. It's like a gel. I like to apply it on my tummy, on my back, and on my arms. June is my birthday month, so I am doing a giveaway where I will be including a waist trimmer and the workout enhancer. If you have not checked out my recent video, please go check it out so you can find out how you could be the winner for June 2020 birthday giveaway. For the first workout, we're gonna do hand walkouts. Stand with your feet hip width apart and bend at the waist to place your hands on the floor. With your legs as straight as possible, walk your hands forward while keeping your core contracted. Once you get into a plank position, hold for a moment, then walk your hands back towards your feet and then repeat. This workout might be a little bit more difficult for you, which is perfectly fine. You're gonna get better throughout time. Just give it your best. I'm not super fit either, so I still make my mistake, but I give it my all and I hope you guys do as well. For the next exercise, we're going to do alternating lunges. Stand with feet hip width apart, engage your core, and take a big step forward. Activate your glutes as you bend front knee to lower your body, so back knee lightly taps the floor while keeping your upper body upright. Drive front heel into the floor to return to starting position. Repeat on the other side. I normally do 2 to 3 sets per exercise, but I did not want you guys to hate me. So for today, you're only going to do each exercise once. The next exercise we're gonna be doing is jumping jacks. First, you're gonna stand upright with your legs together, arms at your side. Bend your knees slightly and jump into the air. As you jump, spread your legs to be about shoulder width apart. Straight your arms out and over your head. Jump back to starting position and then repeat. By now, you should be running out of breath, so do not forget to breathe. You got this, babe. It's gonna be worth it, I promise. Our next workout is push-ups. I personally do not know how to do a full push-up yet, so I like doing them on my knees. Get down on all fours, placing your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Straighten your arms. Try to lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Pause, push yourself back up, then repeat. Unfortunately, like I said, I'm not really good at them, so I keep doing them on my knees and I go as slow as I can. If doing them on your knees, it's too difficult, you can do wall push-ups. It doesn't matter where you're starting, it matters how far you're willing to go. So just don't give up and keep trying, just like I am. Fourth exercise is going to consist of speed squats. You're going to stand straight with your feet hip width apart. Tighten your stomach muscles, lower down as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Straighten your legs to lift back up. Repeat the movement. The challenge here is for you to do them as fast as you can. Keep pushing yourself, love. Your glutes are gonna love you for it. We're halfway there, babes. Our next exercise is going to be donkey kicks. You can do this exercise on all fours on the mat, or you can do it standing up. I like doing it standing up just because it feels like I get more of a workout. Place your knees under your hips. Keep your right knee bent at 90 degrees and flex the foot as you lift the knee until it is level with the hip. Lower the knee without touching the floor. Do 20 seconds on one leg and 20 seconds on the other leg. It might be easier for you to do them on all fours, but by all means, do the best that you can at whatever exercise that you're doing. Just don't give up. At this point, I am so tired already. For our seventh exercise, we're gonna be doing jumping jack feet. So it's exactly the same as a jumping jack, but we will not be moving our arms, only our legs. I know you're tired by now because I definitely am. Our next exercise is called knee get up. This is when you're actually going to hate me. So you're gonna have to get on your knees, and with each leg, you're gonna have to pick yourself back up without standing straight. So still staying in a squat position. You're going to keep repeating this process until the 40 seconds are done. As you can tell, I am dying right now. We only have 2 more exercises. We're almost there, babe. Our next exercise is going to consist of side-to-side jumps. I am so happy this exercise is almost over, so might as well have fun with this exercise and jump around like you just don't care. We're almost there, girl. Just keep going. One more exercise and this is all over. Our last exercise is called up down plank. Begin in a full plank position. Lower your right elbow to the mat, then your left, coming into an elbow plank. Put your right hand on the mat and straighten your right elbow. Do the same to the left to return to your full plank. If this is too difficult for you, you can also get on your knees, or you can just do a full plank until the timer goes off. These 10 minutes are gonna be so worth it. If you feel like you can still keep going, do what I do and repeat this exercise 2 to 4 more times. Those were 10 minutes of success. 10 minutes closer to your goal. 10 minutes full of sweat and tears that are worth every second of it, because you are worth it. In your future self, it's jumping of joy right now, because this was just the beginning of your brand new journey, and eventually you're gonna get used to this, and eventually you're gonna be able to make it all the way through. If you did, yes, 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 I'm so happy for you. If you did not, it's okay. Tomorrow it's a brand new day. Tomorrow you're gonna be able to try to roll over. Just don't give up, okay? You're gonna fail a million times, but just don't give up on yourself. You are worth all this effort and more. On the description below, there will be a lot more information on the giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm always happy to answer your questions, and I'm always here for you when you need help, so please don't be shy. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.